Hey folks, Matt from artoftheimage.com. Following up on our last video where I just unboxed the kit, the two lens kit, the 10 to 18 Canon and the 50 f1.8 STM, and that's going to be used on the little M50 here, which is just a darling of a camera that I'm really loving. Look how small this guy is. It's basically a baby 80D, really, and it's mirrorless, and it does 4K. What I wanted to show you, this one, another lens I got in to test on the M50, is this has more reach, and I think probably a little bit better optically than that 55-200 I had in for the M50. This is the Canon EF 70-300 f4-5.6 IS2 USM lens. This is, I think I've shot with this in the past on the 80D, but this is a good lens. It gets good reviews. Just so you can see what's in the box, there's your warranty card and your little manual. Not really a manual. Anyways. There we go. Nicely packaged in some bubble wrap to keep it protected. We'll throw that back in the box so we don't lose things. We've got a little plastic baggie that it comes in on. And I'm always impressed, actually, with this lens as far as the build quality of it. It's a nice looking lens, and it feels nice. There must be a lock on here. Yes. So the zoom on it is pretty smooth. It's not the smoothest zoom I felt. It's not equivalent to, say, the zoom on the XT20's 18 to 55, but it's not bad. It's fairly smooth. And the focus ring, actually the focus ring's quite smooth. It's got a little bit much play for my liking. I'd like a little more resistance, but not bad. We'll see how it is when we're actually out shooting with it. That's it, fully extended right there. And there it is, not extended. If you want to see, well, you know what? I'm going to show it to you on the M50, but obviously for any of these lenses, we need an adapter because these are not M lenses. And that's the next thing I'm going to unbox. So stay tuned. We're going to show you how this works both for video and for photography on the M50, and it's going to be via an adapter. So if you have any questions about any of these lenses, especially this 70-300 I just unboxed, let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions about the M50, let me know. I'm still doing my review on that, and stay tuned. We'll be back soon. Up next with a new adapter we're getting in. I had the Canon M adapter, the actual Canon one. We got a new one in. Stay tuned. We'll be back soon here at artoftheimage.com.